In this video, I will show you how you can create an Apple ID on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apple Account. Now to create an Apple ID, just select Don't Have an Apple Account. From here, just select the range of your age. I will select Adult. Now in this section, just enter your first name and your last name. After you enter your first and last name, then in this section, just enter your date of birth. Now in this section, just create your new Apple ID. After you create your Apple ID, then tap on Continue and select Create Email Address. Now in this section, just create a password for your Apple ID. After you create a password for your Apple ID, then in this section, just enter the password one more time to confirm your password. After you confirm your password, then tap on Continue. Then in this section, just select your region, and after that, just enter your phone number. Now from here, just select how you want to receive your verification code. You can either receive a text message or phone call. I will select text message, and after that, just tap on Continue. Now you will receive a text message on the phone number which you have entered. After you receive the verification code, then just enter it in this section. Then tap on Continue, then select Continue. Now just select Agree. Now just tap on Continue. And after you do that, you will successfully create a new Apple ID for your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.